Hey guys, so we're at the cabin and I was just going to do a little video here and show you guys the cabin and all the rain that we're getting. So it's a really nice cabin. There's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, so it's really a large place. It's one of the bathrooms. So y'all, I would love to live in a cabin. It would be incredible. I love the look of it. And when you're laying in the bed at night, oh my God, you look up and see those exposed beams. It's just beautiful. Little game room. So, sorry we're moving around so much. Here's the other bath. Excuse our bedroom. I haven't made the bed. Of course, I'm not going to because we're sleeping in here. But see the beautiful beams? Just great. I want to show you all the rain that we're getting, and we managed to get in the hot tub one time so far. So my husband went to get a canopy to go over the hot tub so that we can get in it. So look at this rain. But at night, they've got all kind of colored lights. There's the river. And the little outside areas they have down there. There's a fire pit. But anyway, that's what we're doing this weekend. So I'm not making soap. But I will be dealing with soap as soon as I get back. So good to chat with you guys. Bye.